If you have been watching AI YouTube for 6 months, sitting on a stack of saved videos and still have not landed a paying client, this is the only video you need to watch this week. I'm going to give you the exact 5-step process I use to go from a cold prospect to a signed $750 a month retainer in under 14 days. No cold email script that needs a $400 software stack. No follow 12 times on LinkedIn nonsense. Real method, real outcomes. Hi, I'm Sawan, and over the 14 months, I have onboarded service business clients on retainer for salons, restaurants, clinics, and real estate agents. And the bottleneck is never the tech. The tech is solved. GHL plus a smart prompt plus a snapshot. Done. The bottleneck is always the same thing. Beginners can't get the first client over the line. So this video is the unspammy version of how to get clients. Built for someone who has zero portfolio, zero testimonials, and zero list. So here is what beginners actually do wrong, and I have watched hundreds of you do it. 1. You pitch features. I build AI chatbots. Nobody cares. 2. You go too wide. You DM salons, lawyers, plumbers, and dentists in the same week with the same template. And your message reads like AI wrote it because it did. And 3. You discount yourself to death. You quote $200 a month because you are nervous and now you have trapped yourself in a price flow. 4. You wait for permission. You think you need a course, a certificate, an LLC, a website, or a logo. You need one offer, one niche, and one outreach motion. Now that's the entire problem, and let's fix it. The reframe that landed me my first paid client was this. I stopped selling a service. I started giving away a diagnosis. And that's the whole shift. Instead of, hey, I build AI systems, do you want one? It became, hey, I noticed something specific about your business and I built you a free 5-minute audit. Want me to send it? Now the free audit is the wedge. The free audit is also the close. Watch. 5 steps, write them down. Step 1. Pick one niche, one offer this week, not 3 niches. 1. Salons, restaurants, clinics, dental, med spa, gym, real estate, law firm. Pick one. I would recommend, actually I would not recommend anything because every one of them have the same problem. Next is the offer, the AI front desk. Instagram, missed calls, website chat into one inbox. Books appointments automatically. Price it $750 a month with a $1,500 setup. Don't overthink this. Your first 10 outreach messages are going to teach you whether the niche is right. Step number 2. Build the audit asset, not the pitch deck. Open Google Docs, one page. Top section, prospects, business name. Middle section, 3 numbers. Missed call estimate, unread DM estimate, and no-show rate estimate. Bottom section, 1 paragraph. Here is what an AI front desk would recover for you in 60 days. Pretty easy, right? Now you can build this template once in 30 minutes and use it forever. The audit is not a pitch. The audit is a gift. The pitch happens after they say, how did you get these numbers? Step 3. Local DM outreach. 20 messages a day, hand personalized. Not 200 with automation. 20. Hand typed, and this is important. Here is the template that you can use. Screenshot this or just use it. Hey, first name. I run AI automation for salons. Just put together a quick 1-page audit on your salon name, showing roughly how much revenue you are missing from after hours, DMs, and missed calls. Happy to send it over. No pitch. Want me to drop it? And that's it. 3 sentences. No bold claims, no emojis, and the reply rate I get on this is between 18 and 30% in salon niches. Half of the replies say, yeah, send it. And that's permission to send the audit. Step 4, send the audit and then book the call. When they say yes, send a 1-page PDF with their 3 numbers. At the bottom of the audit, last line. If these numbers look off to you, I can show you exactly how I would recover them on a quick 15-minute call. Here is my calendar, and roughly half of the audit recipients book the call. So if you send 20 DMs a day, 5 replies, 3 want the audit, 1 to 2 book the call. 20 days of work, 20 to 40 calls booked. Step 5. Now, on the call, do the math, not the demo. Do not screen share GHL. Do not show them a chatbot. Open their audit on screen. Walk through the 3 numbers and ask one question. If we recover 60% of this, what would that mean for your business? And they'll give you the close in their own words. And then quote, $1,500 for the setup, $750 a month, 60 days guarantee. If they hesitate on price, you reframe. It pays for itself in week 3 based on these numbers. Close rate when you do it this way is roughly 30 to 40% on booked calls. So 20 days, 30 calls, 9 to 12 closes, even if you suck and only close 2. Now that's $1,500 a month in recurring revenue at month 1, and you haven't even gotten started. That is literally it. One niche, one offer, audit first outreach, math driven close. No course required, no 17-step funnel, no paid ads. You can run this entire motion this week with a Google Doc, a Calendly link, and a GHL trial. So here's the lesson, and this is the one I wish someone had said to me when I started. You are not selling AI, you are selling certainty. The salon owner, the restaurant owner, does not care what model you are using or what software you stand on. They care that someone has put a real number on a real problem and they finally have a path. The audit gives them certainty. The price gives them certainty. The 60-day guarantee gives them certainty. So stack 3 sources of certainty on top of each other and the close becomes inevitable. The full version of this, every DM script, the audit template I use, the call framework, the pricing tiers, the contract template is all in the AI Retainer playbook. Free at sawankumar.com/AI-retainer-playbook. Top of the description, and if you want the tech stack I use to deliver the system, once you have closed the client, my GHL link is right under it. Comes with the snapshots and a 30-minute onboarding call so you don't fumble your first build. Subscribe, and in the next video I'm tearing apart the GHL affiliate program itself. Honest pros and cons for 2026. See you there.